Venu, screen ko shift here. Shift the screen a little bit. Hi kids, namaste guys, namaste everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Very good guys, very good. Chalo, thank you, boss. Thank you all. Hi Sudeshna, hi Venkatesh, hi Uday, hi Ashish, hi Arshita. Venkatesh is always smiling, sitting somewhere and camera is in hand, so writing no notes. Anna Venkatesh, you writing notes? Naina? Hi Surya, hi Rashmita. We have Afrin, Kavita, hi Bacha, hi Bache, hi Spandana, hi Anamala. Okay, hi Gayatri, hi Charana, hi Uzma. We have Kamalika also, Pavitra also. So why is the class late? Actually, I was taking class somewhere else, so it takes me some time to come from that class to here, that campus to here. That's why. Okay, nothing else. Hi Sandeep. After I guess after some few days you have switched on your camera. Is it so? Anna, or you were not here? Hi Tenali. Sir, आप कैसे हो? I am very good. Abhyog, I am very good. I hope you are also fine. Finished lunch? अभी सही. अभी तो I am taking classes from 6:30 in the morning. I just ate early morning breakfast and अभी I will eat my lunch after the class. ठीक है? चलो, no worries. So shall we start the class, everyone? Are you all ready for the class? Yes, guys. Full of energy, ready for the class? Give me a thumbs up over here in the chat box. Chalo. So we are now going to start with the class over here. Hi Nanda, hi guys. What about zoology class? But I don't have the information about the zoology class. It will be get to know about anyone else. ठीक है सर, मैं तो सुबह 6:30 पढ़ रहा हूँ. अच्छी बात है, पढ़ना चाहिए. Very good. You should awake early in the morning and then study. Chalo guys, we are going to start with a new topic. New topic क्या vectors only है ना? We were doing vectors in the last class. Let's quickly revise the last class notes here. So in the vector guys, I told you type of vector, right guys? So in the last class we were studying about type of vectors, right? First type that we did, which one beta? Parallel vector. Which vector? Parallel vector. So what are parallel vectors? Yes kids. If direction same, what is same guys? Direction same. They will be known as which vector? Parallel vector. If direction is same, they are which one? Parallel vector, right guys? Magnitude may or may not be same. Magnitude may or may not be same. But if I say these two, if it is A vector and this is your B vector, now they will be taken as equal vector. They will be taken as which vector? Equal vector, because their magnitude also same, direction also same. Magnitude also same, direction also same. That's why equal vectors, right guys? Then second one we did anti parallel vectors. So if it is A vector and this is your B vector, both are what beta? Opposite direction. Opposite direction, so A and B are what beta? Anti-parallel. But if magnitudes are same, A vector, B vector, magnitudes are same, then we will say A vector equals to negative of B vector. So these will be taken as which vector? Negative vectors. They will be taken as which vectors? Negative vectors. Right now guys, if we have this type of vectors, so a parallel, anti-parallel, in parallel we will have equal and anti-parallel we will have which one beta? Negative vectors over here. So these ones we have done in the last class. Any extra also we did? Anything third case we did kya? Let me know guys quickly from the notes. Yes bacho? Yes, we did one more here. That was your null vector. Third, null vector. Null vector or zero vector. So what is null or zero vector guys? If magnitude of a vector becomes zero, if magnitude of a vector becomes zero, then we will say it to be which vector beta? A null vector over here. So whenever guys, whenever magnitude of a vector force, vector quantity becomes zero, then we will say it to be which vector bacha? A null vector, or we can say zero vector, right guys? So this is what we have done in the last classes. Yes or no kids? Everyone, and we did one example also. If you remember, we have one Chintu over here. This force is F1. This force is what given here beta? F2. Ab here we say F1 magnitude is same to be what beta? F2 magnitude, and directions are same or opposite? F1 and F2 directions are opposite direction. Then we can write F1 vector equals to minus of F2 vector or not guys? Can we write like this ki F1 vector will be equal to what beta? Minus of F2 vector. 100% bacha. In the last class we did it or not, guys? Yes, we did it in the last class. Ab to bachcho, we can write from here F1 vector equals to minus F2 vector. That is what we can write. F1 vector plus F2 vector equals to 0. F1 vector plus F2 vector will become how much bacha? 0. Yes, Chintu Chinky Mama examples. So here this net resultant will become 0 in this particular case. Net resultant become 0 in this particular case. Hana? Net resultant becomes 0 in this particular case. Hence we will say it is which vector? Null vector. Hence we will say it to be which vector? Null vector. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, kids? Beta, what happen if in physics we don't use vector? You will not become doctor. Okay? If you don't use vectors, you will not become doctors. That's it. Without directions, you can't solve any concept. So for solving the concepts, you require direction as well as magnitude, and they must obey vector laws. So that is, we will be using which concept, beta? Vector concept. And I must say, in every concept it will be used. Okay? Chalo aao. Let's move forward over here. So now I told you we will focus on the next part, that is going to be a unit vector. I told you in the last class that we will start a class with the unit vectors, guys. Yes or no, kids? So we are going to start with our unit vectors here. Okay, guys, unit vectors. Now, what is a unit vector, guys? Vectors whose magnitude is 1 and are used to show direction. The vectors which have a magnitude 1, the vectors which have magnitude 1 and are used to show what, beta? Directions. So vectors which are used to show what, beta? Directions are actually known as unit vectors. Guys. So vectors whose magnitude is 1, and are used to show what, beta? Directions. Kamalika, are you new in the class? Because you are asking what is the meaning of vector. For that, you have to study the last 2 sessions better then. Okay? You have to study the last 2 sections. Please do study last 2 sessions, guys. Okay? So vectors whose magnitude is 1 and are used to show beta direction are known as what, beta? Unit vector. Are known as what, beta? Unit vector over here. Okay? Only to show direction, nothing else, beta. Nothing else. So vectors whose magnitude is 1 and are used to show directions. Ab beta, symbol will be a cap. What the symbol will be? A cap. Is it a bar or a cap on it, guys? What is it, guys? It is a cap. So we will put a cap onto a vector. No, Anya. Anya, I'm giving the answer of your question in the chat box. It is no. Not at all. So symbol will be what, beta? A cap. Maitri, I would also request you to please revise the class notes or the last 2 sessions from the YouTube. Okay, because we have done the uses of vectors, everything, because it is used to show direction, to solve the question, so that we can get into a NEET exam. Okay, na? Ab, any direction is specific direction. Ab formula. See the mathematical formula here. Formula. A cap is given as any vector divided by mod of it. So it is a vector divided by magnitude of vector. So it is vector divided by magnitude of a vector. So we have got, guys, we will write the vector and we will divide it by the magnitude of a vector. Then we will get the direction of that particular vector. So we will get the direction of a particular vector. So here, if a direction can be positive also, negative also, anything. So answer can come positive also, negative also, anything can come, positive or negative. So direction formula. So this is the formula, guys. Formulas are generally asked from us. What is A cap formula? A cap formula is A vector by mod of A vector. That is, we will be given with a vector quantity. So we will divide by magnitude of that vector, and hence we will get the questions, answers. Up to understand how to write vector, how to write the magnitude of vector, don't worry, we will tell you in the today's session. It is just a symbol. It is not showing any direction. It is just showing a symbol. Up generally, how many directions you have? Generally, when you study like this or not, guys? Acha, before that, what is the magnitude of A cap? What is the magnitude of A cap? What is A cap? Unit vector. The magnitude of A cap will be what, beta? 1. So magnitude of A cap will be what, beta? 1. So vectors which have a magnitude 1. So magnitude of A cap will be equal to what, beta? 1. That is one more result. So A cap magnitude will be 1, or A cap should be equal to A vector by mod of A vector. If sometime given V, velocity vector, so for that how to write V cap? How to write V cap? We will write V vector divided by mod of V vector. Like this we can write. Like this we can write. And V cap come magnitude arc separately. Then that will be what, beta? 1. That will be 1. Got it? So if velocity given, velocity cap will be V vector by mod V vector. V cap will be equal to mod kitna? 1. Like this we can write. So you don't worry, just be in the session for some time, you will get to know. So don't be very much eager. Ana? Acceleration cap, A cap, how to write? A cap equals to A vector by mod A. So acceleration ke liye. So for any quantity, any vector quantity, what we can find? For any vector quantity, what we can find? Its unit vector. For any vector quantity, what we can find? Its unit vector we can find, guys. Okay? Up here, we have not started doing the calculation, anything else. Abhi we have to understand the topic. Then we will do the examples. We have to understand the concepts. Then we will be able to do the results. Abhi tak to definition wise hai. It is just all definition. We have not done any concepts here, so it will take some time, guys. Okay, bacha? So some of you are asking, sir, please give examples. But don't worry, time will come. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. Relax. Relax and then move forward. Chalo. So here, guys, formula kya? A cap will be A vector by mod of A vector, and A cap ka magnitude will be 1. So first of all, remember the formula. Up here, bacha, generally we write this as X direction, this direction as Y, and this direction as Z. Have you heard of it or not, guys? We have done X, Y, Z direction. I hope everyone must have heard of this X, Y, Z, guys. Hai? So this is X axis, Y axis, Z axis. So via definition, what do we write? It is by conventions. What are these, guys? Convention. So we will remember the convention. Unit vector along plus X direction is given as I cap. Unit vector along plus X direction. Unit vector along plus X direction is given as what, beta? I cap. So unit vector along plus X direction will be given as I cap. Similarly, unit vector along plus Y direction will be given as J cap. Will be given as J cap. Similarly, unit vector along plus Z direction will be what, beta? K cap. So here, bache, we have got unit vectors along X direction given as I cap, along Y direction given as J cap, along Z direction given as K cap. Sir, what if it is minus X, minus Y, minus Z? Then what should be the answers? Minus I cap, minus J cap, minus K cap. Right now, kids? So if someone of you is asking a question like this, sir, what if we have like this case, plus X, let's say minus X, minus Y, minus Z, then what will happen, sir? So whenever you will have guys plus minus x minus y minus z, then in that case minus I cap minus j cap minus k cap will be the answer. Up these are naming given. It is not me or not you who is going to decide. It is by convention taken for all over the world that you have to take it like this only. Don't put your name. So don't ask a doubt here like this, why only I, J, K. It is given data. Like it is given by the scientist over here who discovered all of these things. So you have to take it as it is. So unit vector along x direction will be what beta? I cap. Unit vector along y direction will be taken as j cap. Unit vector along z direction will be taken as k cap. ठीक है बच्चा? तो these are the results. And in direction opposite to x minus x, that's why minus I cap. Opposite to y minus j cap. Opposite to z minus k cap. So these are what beta? Directions. So here बच्चों what we have to do? Unit vector along x. बताओ unit vector along x. What is it? I cap. Unit vector along y. Along y. J cap. Unit vector along z. Z. K cap. Minus x. Minus I. Minus y direction. Minus j. Minus z direction. Minus k. So this is how we are going to define the directions over here. ठीक है बच्चा? And their direction we will be giving as I, J, K onwards. Sir, what if particle is moving in x direction, y direction again? Then their combinations. Then their combination we will do. So you don't worry. Believe in me. Step by step we will understand everything, guys. Okay, bachcha? Step by step we will understand everything over here. Is this part clear? Remember, what is the result? Unit vector along x direction I, y, j, z, k. Like this you have to remember. What is a cap magnitude? 1. What is a cap magnitude? 1. So similarly, if a cap magnitude is 1, what is the magnitude of I cap? What is the magnitude of I cap? 1 equal to magnitude of j cap equal to magnitude of k cap. That is 1. So magnitude of I cap, j cap, k cap will be equal to what beta? 1. Next result. Magnitude of I cap, j cap, k cap will be equal to what beta? 1. Remember it. Magnitude of I cap, j cap, k cap will be done as what beta? Always 1. Abhi we are writing some results. ठीक है बच्चे? We are writing some results. Just focus on that. Clear to all? Beta, by definition, it is by definition 1. So see, definition, vector whose magnitude is 1 is known as unit vector. So what is unit vector magnitude? 1. So what is the magnitude of unit vector along direction x? 1. 1 is a constant and it is 1 only. Okay, definition wise. Okay, Lucky? Chaliye guys, wonderful. Now let's see the next part. So let's see the next part. So here beta, so we, iska kaam, the unit vector use is only to give the directions here, to find the direction of any quantity. Ab see dekho, kya given hai? Chintu moves is 20. Chintu moves how much meters, guys, in x direction? 20 meters. So what is the quantity? Meter. Is it displacement or velocity? Meters. Is it displacement or velocity, guys? What is it, guys, everyone? Yes, displacement. So we are writing displacement as s vector. So displacement is s vector. Okay. अब given क्या है? S vector का magnitude given ना बेटा, value. What is the S vector magnitude going to become beta? Yes kids, magnitude going to become 20, that is value here. So S vector magnitude become kitna beta? 20. And if I ask you, what is the direction? What is the direction given? Plus x. What is the direction given? plus x. Plus x means what? Plus x means I, j, k. Yes, kids, it is I. So what is it given? Plus I cap. Do you know the formula also? S cap equals to S vector by mod of S vector. Do you know this value? S cap equals to S vector by mod of S vector. So let's put all of these values here. Let's put all of these values here. Okay, guys? We can put S I cap. S vector कितना है बेटा? We don't know. Divide by 20. So S vector will become कितना? Cross multiply 20 I cap. So here with this we can find displacement vector as what? 20 I cap. You understood this? What we have done? So beta, abhi to it is initial day today. So with that, so we are doing very basic long method. Otherwise, you will be doing it very quickly. 20 meter x direction. Answer 20 I cap. 20 meter x direction. 20 I cap. So actually, what we have done, S vector 20, S cap direction I cap. So we have this formula. Using that, we have got S vector equals to 20 I cap. Clear? Yes or no? Maitri, clear hai beta? So we have got it beta. S vector equals to 20 I cap. Very good smile. Oh. So here we have just basic question abhi right now, but we will go into deep also. Yes, Sandeep, we will repeat it. Don't worry. We will repeat with one more case. With one more case. We will discuss it with one more case. Yes. So one more case. Chinky moving with 100 meter per second in minus y direction. Find velocity of Chinky. See the question. Chinky is moving with 100 meter per second in y direction. Find the velocity of Chinky. Chale guys. Ab that is the question given. How can you do it? Velocity given 100, magnitude given 100, direction given minus y direction. So what is the answer? 100 meter per second in minus y minus j cap. Otherwise, तो answer क्या होगा? Directly you can see 100 meter per second in minus y direction. तो answer 100 minus j cap. That is a velocity vector. है ना? Otherwise, what is the method? V cap is minus I cap. है ना? Minus y direction. Direction V cap minus I cap. What is the magnitude of velocity? Magnitude of velocity 100. So V cap will be equal to V vector by mod of V vector. So from here we can write V vector equals to mod of V vector into V cap, that is 100, into minus j cap, that is minus 100 j cap meter per second. Answer. Have I done some mistake? Oh, sorry. Yes, it is j. Yes, it is a correction here. Correct it. Minus j. I guess by mistake, printing mistake happened. Minus j. V cap kitna? Minus j. Minus j, guys. Minus j. Is it clear or not, guys? So step, give some time, then it will get clear. Okay? Give some time, everything get clear. Now it is getting clear to all. Hana, everyone, getting clear to all. Give me a thumbs up if it is getting clear, everyone. Sandeep, Maitri, we have Satakshi here in the chat box. Over here, Asha. We have Pavani, Prasad. Yes. Wonderful, guys. Monica also, Manya also. So all those who are worried initially, it will get clear. Give some time. It will get clear, everyone. Chalo. Ready for some more level, guys? Ready for some more level here, guys? Acha. Up here, guys, I am going to give you some results. Important results. Here, रुको. Important results सुनो. पहले ऐसे लिखो position vector. We have next one, guys. That is position vector. ठीक है? Position vector. See what is a position vector. Position of a point with respect to origin. Position with respect to a point with respect to origin. So see guys, it is given x, y and z. So what is this point going to become? 0, 0, 0. It is going to become 0, 0, 0 because x, y, z all are present. So here bacha, we have one point here x, y, z. So there is a point here x, y, z. So position of a point with respect to origin. Position of a point with respect to origin. Matlab position of which point? Point O or point P? What is asked? Point O position or point P position? Point P. We are asking position of point P. Point P with respect to origin O. So here we will make a line. Vector line. We will make a line, vector line. That is known as what vector? R vector. It is given name what? R vector. And what is this R vector? Position vector. What is this R vector, guys? Position vector. So this R vector is position vector. Tab how to write it? How to write it? Remember, R vector will be x coordinate I cap, y coordinate j cap, z coordinate plus z k cap. So how to write it, guys? So if we have to write a position vector, we will write x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap and add all. X I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. That is how we are going to write R vector. So how to write position vector of point P? X I cap, y j cap, z k cap. So if the coordinates are given, this is how we will write. If the coordinates are given, so how to write the position vector? Formula R vector x I cap plus y j cap plus what beta? Z k cap. So it is the method to write. Don't ask how. It is a method. So you are moving x direction mein x, then y, and then you coming out z. So x, y, z. Achha, have you done distance formula? Have you done distance formula in mathematics? Distance formula between two coordinates. याद है? डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला क्या था? आर वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड याद है कुछ? x माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर, x माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस z माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर. याद है एवरीवन? कैन यू रिकॉल? एंड दैट्स रूट. And the root of it, will it be the distance here or not? Length, position, this distance formula in 9th 10th class you have done, yes or no? So in 9th or 10th you did this formula or not? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. But over here, is it x1 y1 z1 is 0 0 0 not? The x2 y2 z2 you can take 0 0 0. So what you will do? We will do x minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square, z minus 0 whole square. So we will get x square plus y square z square only or not beta? So if a vector, position vector is given, x, y, z coordinates, vector will become x I cap, y j cap, z k cap. How to write the magnitude of it? Root mein x square plus y square plus z square. Is it clear? So just x square, y square, z square. X square, y square, z square. Why we are writing a mod? Maitri, I am 100% sure it is your first class. Is it so? Tell me quickly. Otherwise, we have done in the last classes, what is we have done? Magnitude. To show the magnitude. In the last class, I told you, beta, it is what beta? Magnitude here. Okay. So it is this formula. Acha. Ab now, important. Very important. what is this formula? What is this r cap? बेटा वेक्टर तो हो गया, वेक्टर वैल्यू, डायरेक्शन ऑल्सो, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑल्सो, बट मैग्नीट्यूड ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड गाइस. व्हाट इज आर कैप? फॉर्मूला, is it r vector by mod of r vector or not? See, like this we have done here, a cap, a vector by mod of a vector, yes or no? So similarly guys, we will write here r cap equals to r vector by mod of r vector, that is, what is it? Unit vector along r vector. What is the meaning of it guys? Unit vector along r vector. So what is the meaning of it? Unit vector along r vector. What is it beta? R cap, that is what? R vector by mod of r vector. Ab how to find it? Just put these values, the answer is there. Just put this value, answer will be there. What is this answer? Dekho, you can put it here. Don't remember it, just remember the result. Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap डिवाइड में x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर प्लस z स्क्वायर का होल रूट. That's how. Yes Divya, anything is possible. बेटा अव्युक्त, I am telling you ना, r का मैग्नीट्यूड means this result, vector means this result. So r vector is a vector quantity where you are having directions also, magnitude also, and magnitude the distance formula, that's it, distance formula between these 2 points, that's it. So if unit vector is asked, we know the formula unit vector, r vector by mod of r vector, that's how we can do. Okay, r vector by mod of r vector se we can find the magnitude over here. So r cap equals to r vector by mod of r vector, and how, what is the formula? Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap divided by root of x square plus y square plus z square. Ardhmainda, everyone clear hai? Chalo, so here let's move on to the questions. Let's move on to the question. So it is given, find position vector of थ्री कॉमा 0 कॉमा 4. यस लिखो पहले 3 कॉमा 4, इजी क्वेश्चंस. Find the position vector of 3 comma 4. Here it is asked, find the position vector of 3 comma 4. First question, find the position vector of 3 comma 4. How to find it? Or if you want to take, you can take it like this also, 3 comma 4 comma 0. Let's term is last is 0, let us say. Coordinate is given 3 4 0. Then how to write the position vector? How to write the position vector? Vector. See, if point is given x y z, how to find the vector? X I cap, y j cap, z k cap. What is x? Y z. है ना guys? So write the result here like this. You write position vector as x 3 I cap, y 4 j cap, z 0 k cap. That is the answer. Understood everyone? To find the position vector given, what you will do? 3 I cap, 4 j cap plus 0 k cap. Ardhmainda, everyone clear? 3 4 0, like this we can write. Okay, up second question. Find magnitude of r vector. Find magnitude of r vector. Formula guys, what is the r vector magnitude formula? Am I audible everyone? See the formula, x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square का whole root. x square plus y square plus z square का whole root. That is what beta root में. What you will do in the root? You can just put the values here, guys. Root में what बच्चा? X 3 square, y 4 square plus 0 square. What is going to become? Root 9 plus 16. I hope you know root 25, and answer will become what beta? 5. What the answer going to become? 5. Ardhamainda. So here what we have done, we are given with a coordinate given 3 4 0. What we have to write? Position vector. How to write position vector? X I cap, y j cap, z k cap. So 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 0 k cap. Then magnitude of r vector, r ka mod. It is r ka what beta? Mod here. So here we will write r ka mod. So it will become what beta? 3 square plus 4 square plus 0 square. So root 25 by. अब ये position vector of this point given, point है तो meters. Point है तो obviously meter will be there, centimeter, meter, any millimeter, anything can be given. Let us say meters given 3 meter, 4 meter. So what is the unit going to become? 5 meter. Like that we can write. Okay. Next, third question. Find unit vector along. Find unit vector along r vector. ये find unit vector of r cap, of r vector. ये easy है. Find unit vector of r vector. How to find the unit vector of r vector? Then what we will use? We will use the formula. R cap will be equal to r vector by mod of r vector. We will only write 5 plus 5, not minus. Distance we are writing, distance plus 5. So what we will write here? R vector value how much beta? 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 0 k cap. Divide by what is the magnitude of r vector? Magnitude of r vector came 5. Divide by what beta? 5. So r cap ko we can write 3 by 5 I cap plus 4 by 5 j cap or 0.6 I cap plus 0.8 j cap. So basically what we are doing, we are writing unit, this coordinate given 3 4 0. From coordinate we will write r vector 3 I cap plus 4 j plus 0 k cap. Just write it as it is. 3 4 0, 3 I plus 4 j plus 0 k. Magnitude 3 square 4 square 0 square whole root. Answer positive value only plus 5. How to find unit vector? R vector mod r, divide both. Answer r vector by mod r vector. That is how you can get this unit vector. Is that formula application now clear? If I told you how to find what is the use of this formula, what is the use of this particular formula, now clear or not? This is how question need to be solved. Okay bachcho? Will you attempt one more by yourself? Yes Asha, correct beta. Yes Satyaj, bilkul. हाँ बेटा, in the exam like this question will be asked from the vectors or the other ones which we have done. Shall we do the next one beta? Everyone, will you try to attempt a question by yourself? Chalo, आइए. Let's move on to the next one here beta. See. Find. देखो. One r vector given, yes or no? Velocity vector given. Question given, velocity vector given. I cap 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 1 k cap. Find magnitude of velocity vector. See the question, guys. V vector, velocity vector given I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. Find the magnitude of velocity vector. Karo, do it. Yes, Mohammad, we are doing next question also. See, use the formula. Use the formula, guys. Magnitude formula you have to use. Use the formula, guys. तो what is the v vector का magnitude formula? Root में x स्क्वायर प्लस रूट में y स्क्वायर प्लस रूट में z स्क्वायर. What is this answer? 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is what beta? Root 6. That is what beta? Root 6. That is a one question, guys. This is the answer of this. How many of you got it now? How many of you got it? Wonderful. Many of you got this right answer. Wonderful, guys. Very wonderful. Now, next question. Find unit vector along V vector. Find unit vector along V vector or of V vector. ये ऑफ लिख लो. Same thing. Unit vector of V vector. How to find a unit vector along V vector or V vector? Unit vector. Now, how to find unit vector? We know the formulas. So we will use the formulas. We have the formula to find the V cap. What is the formula to find V cap? V vector by mod of V vector. Write this value as it is. Copy the vector from here. Can I write I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, guys? Because 1 into I only now. Divide by what beta? Root 6. That is the answer. That is the right answer. So finally you can write meter per second. और direction है तो no unit. Direction है ना no unit. So it is just going to show what direction. So here unit vector is just showing what direction. I hope you all understood this now. Now life becoming easy or not? Now the life has become easy. Okay. No need to expand. If you want to, you can see the options. Let us say options are given like this. Wonderful. If given by this, I cap by root 6, 2 by root 2 j cap by root 6, है ना? Plus k cap by root 6 given. So you can write this also. It depends. It depends, guys. It depends now. So easy. Now you are feeling easy. Initially you were so how to use this formula, chair, how to do chair, and like that messages were coming. Now you are saying easy peasy lemon squeezy. I told you, give some time. When you will give some time, then only it will get clear. Right? Like when you play video games, then what you do, you give time to it not to play, or you instantaneously go to the top level, level by level. Similarly, in studies also we have to move level to level. Chalo, do this question. Find position vector of 2, 1, 3. Find position vector of 2, 1, 3. First part. Second part. Find unit vector of it also. Find unit vector of it. Sutakshi, are you not writing the notes? Hamita? I will show you the slides later on. See, do with the, please write class notes also, guys. है ना? So I guess first answer, so many of you have got it. Very good. And then you have to find unit vector. Wonderful. Very good, guys. Very good. Answer number 1, you are getting R vector as 2, 1, 3, 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Are you getting the right answer? Is this the answer you are getting, everyone? Wonderful. Now next, what is the formula of R cap? Second question, R cap. R vector by mod of R vector. So is R vector magnitude required or not? So in this question, R vector magnitude is required indirectly. So we will do 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square. Right, guys? 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square. So what is this answer? Root of 14, I guess. Root of 14 only. So how to find this next part, beta? R cap magnitude, how to find it? We will just put the values. 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap डिवाइड में व्हाट बेटा रूट ऑफ 14. That's your answer. Who are everyone able to do it or not? Are you able to do it? Yes, kids. Clap for yourself. You have done a very awesome job. Now becoming easy for you all. So yes, अब these are the questions. You will be finding these only as the questions in your NEET exam, JEE Mains exam like this. मतलब dependency will be there like that. Not exactly dependency will be there. ठीक है, dependency of question or solving method will remain same. So we have to just use what beta? This particular formula. Use this formula. A cap equals to A vector by mod of A vector. चलो जी next question. Next formula we have this one. Position vector how to write? Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Then afterward how to find position of magnitude of r vector? X square plus y square plus z square. And then unit vector r cap equals to r vector by mod of r vector. Just use this and I am making you sure that you all can solve it very easily. Okay, chalo ready for the next one. Coordinate is given. Find position vector of 2, -1, 3. Let's see the question answer. Find position vector of 2, -1, 3. Also find unit vector of it. Question guys. Sir, you will go to MPC classes also, sir? But it will we will get to know later on. Don't worry. First, focus on the solving the question. All the teachers in Gosalites are super awesome. Don't worry for that. Find the position vector of 2, -1, 3 guys. Also find unit vector of it. Yes, very wonderful. I'm getting some answers on the YouTube channel also and some answers on the our side, this side of what should I say, Zoom call also. Wonderful guys, very good. So let's attempt it guys. Sir, can you please send QR code of the ending at the ending? Yes, I will send 100%. I will show it here, don't worry. First focus here. How to write it guys? R vector. We will write what beta here? R vector. So R vector we will write as what? 2i cap. 2i cap. Ab is it +1 or -1 given? Here -1 given. So -1 j cap plus 3k cap. That is your what beta? R vector. That is what? R vector. Okay, answer. R vector completed. I point the R vector. I point the magnitude of R vector we will need to find R cap. So let's find it. Root में what? 2 square plus -1 whole square plus 3 square. So what is it again? Root 14. Right guys? 3 square 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, root 14. Next, what is the answer of R cap? R vector by mod of R vector. So what we can do here guys, we can write it like this only, na? 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap divide by root of 14. That's it. Done everyone. Up, is it clear? Bolo, same to same method is there now. Only minus sign came, nothing else. Only what came beta now? Minus sign came. No new thing is coming. Only minus sign came now. Chalo. Shall we do a next one? So unit vector concept, how to find it, all of these are clear na? Pakka, pachimuchi. Wonderful guys, wonderful. So this is how you can find unit vector of any quantity. You can find the position vectors also. Like this you can find. Okay, bacha? Clear hai? Similarly, what do we have now? Displacement vector. What do we have now? Displacement vector. See beta, Let us say we are moving from point O to point P. It is initial and this is final. Let us say x2, y2, z2. And what is this? x1, y1, z1. So we are moving from O point to P point. We are moving from where to where, beta? O point to P point. Then guys, we will put arrow head. Head will be on final point and tail will be on initial point. Tail will be on initial point. So this will be written as your OP vector. This will be written as what, beta? OP vector. Yes, it will look like your distance formula only. Wonderful, Satakshi, wonderful. So it is what, beta? O to P vector, OP vector. So OP vector will be written as coordinate of P minus coordinate of Q. It will be as coordinate of P minus coordinate of Q. जैसे कि what, बेटा? x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap. Then next will be what, beta? Next will be what? Plus z2 minus z1 k cap. So this is how we are going to write your displacement vector. It is which vector, dear kids? Displacement vector. So does it look like distance formula only? In terms of I cap, j cap, k cap only? If we ask how to find magnitude of OP vector, that is displacement vector, we will write it as what, beta? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square ka whole under root. That is how we can write it. That is how we can write it, guys. Ab if someone asks what is a unit vector, then what will do? OP vector by OP vector whole magnitude. That's it. If someone asks how to find OP vector, unit vector we will do what, beta? OP vector by OP magnitude. That's it. This is what you have to do to find the answer. Ab now, is it 0, 0, 0 or some value will be given? Here some value will be given. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, anything value. Ana? So using that we have to write a vector, then find magnitude, then again find what, beta? Your unit vector. So it is a unit vector along OP vector. It is OP vector. It is magnitude of that vector. And it is what? This unit vector. So it is known as which vector? Displacement vector. So displacement vector is position of a vector with respect to other point. ठीक है बच्चों? Is this getting clear to everyone? Yes, kids. Shall we do a numerical on it? Shall we do a numerical on it? So let's do a numerical on it. Chintu moves from 2, 1, 3 to 4, 2, 5. 4, 2, 5. Find displacement vector. Also find unit vector along it. Chintu moves from 2, 1, 3 to 4, 2, 5. We have to find the displacement vector. No, beta, Vivo, position vector and unit vector both are different, beta. Hana? Unit vector show only direction. Position vector is telling you the position of that according to the origin in vector form. तो चिंटू मूव्स फ्रॉम 2, 1, 3. It is 3 eta 2, 1, 3 to 4, 2, 5. Find the displacement vector. Formula लगा दो guys. Formula we can write r vector only. Nothing matter. R vector. Final minus initial. This will be final. This will be initial. So this is final point. This is which point? Initial point. So what we will do? 4 minus 2 I cap. Then 2 minus 1 j cap. ना 2 here final में 2 and here 1. 2 minus 1 j cap. Then beta plus 5 minus 3 k cap. So we have 4 minus 2 I cap, 2 minus 1 j cap plus 5 minus 3 k cap. What is the answer? 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap again. Correct now? Okay. So it is r vector. So that is how we'll get r vector. Up now, do you know how to find r vector magnitude? Everyone know how to find magnitude because we have done some questions on it. So we can use this result 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. What is it? 4 plus 4 plus 1 9. Root 9 will become how much beta? 3. Yes or no? We did it in the last. We did it some time back now. How to solve this one? That's it. You just have to find this quantity and then find answer. Ab how to find r cap? How to find r cap, guys? R vector by mod of r vector. That is, we will write it 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap divided by what beta? 3. That's it. That's your answer. If anyone want to write it separate, you can according to the options. Is this clear, kids? Everyone, 2 by 3 I cap plus j cap by 3 plus 2 by 3 k cap. That's how you can write it. So today we have done unit vector, direction, displacement vector also, guys, in detail. Right, kids? So we have done these two important cases also today. And in the next session, what are we going to do? Yes, kids. In the next session, we are going to do what? Your vector laws. Vector laws we are going to do. Okay, very good, Kamalika. We will do vector laws in the next class. Okay. So we will miss you a lot for one day. Why only one day? When will be the next session, sir? Tomorrow? Today is what day, beta? I don't know the day today. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be the lecture, no? Yes. Yes, kids. Chalo. So you can all practice like this, guys, from here. Any point you can make and you can do. Sir, 27 ko sach mein last class hai kya? I don't have any information regarding that beta. You will get to know from the management here. I hope everything is clear. So yes, if you all want to connect to me, you can connect on Mohit MITTAL Physics over there on Telegram or Instagram here. ठीक है? ये अपना Telegram है या Insta. Over there you can connect to me. And yes, that is your what should I say? QR code. So I'm giving you a QR code here. So we should use the displacement magnitude formula. No, sir. Yes, the formula to we have used now. They check what we did. R vector we found. Once we know R vector, from there, so we can use anything, na beta. है ना? Chalo. So that is this given to you all. Also, this QR code is here. You can use that. That's all for that, everyone. Have a good day. I hope you all understood the section, guys. Chalo. Thank you, guys, everyone. So, मेरे question का answer दीजिए Telegram पर भेजा था. Okay, I will give you. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Bye, bye, everyone. Have a good day. Ta-ta.